Welcome to ClearTask. If you plugged your USB drive into your car stereo and it is not playing music or giving you an error message, the most common reason is an unsupported file system. Most car audio systems only recognize the FAT32 format, while your drive might currently be formatted as NTFS or exFAT. Here is how to fix it quickly and safely. First, plug the USB drive into your computer. Open File Explorer and locate your drive under this PC. Because fixing this requires formatting the drive, we need to back up your files first. Select all the music files on your USB drive, copy them and paste them into a new folder on your desktop. Once your music is safely backed up, go back to this PC. Right-click on your USB drive and select Format. In the Format window, look at the File System drop-down menu. Change it to FAT32. Leave the allocation unit size as default, ensure Quick Format is checked, and click Start. A warning will appear letting you know all data will be erased. Click OK to confirm. Once the format is complete, open the desktop folder where you backed up your music. Copy all the audio files and paste them back onto your newly formatted USB drive. As a quick tip, ensure your audio files are in standard MP3 format, as many car stereos do not support alternative formats like FLAC or WAV. Finally, safely eject the USB drive from your taskbar, plug it back into your car, and your music should play perfectly. If this guide helped you solve the issue, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.